How about some philosophy? You know, truthfully, we're all in a cage. Question is, how big is your cage? You know, can you have some fun? Is there someone around trying to make it comfortable for you? Do you have some toys to play with? You know, um, are you comfortable? You know, some eye appeal. Oh, and then maybe, how much room do you have to run? Probably can't get much of a picture of the outside sanctuary and all of that, you know. Do you have some exercise equipment? A little cartwheel, music, you know, stereo, heat, electricity, alternative heating source. You know, don't let the bobbleheads fool you. Because you might want to go hunting, fishing, gold mining, woodworking. Because we all have time. Oh, maybe you like the mountains. You know, it's kind of cold up there. Will you have shelter? Or do you have to sleep in the cold? So if you think about the reality, you know, that time is New York time. I'm in Colorado. You know, why it doesn't say 5:53, I don't know. AM. Do you get up early? Can you enjoy simple things like, I might make money making a YouTube channel. I might make money fixing furniture, gold mining. I might make money on YouTube doing a hunting series. I might make, you know, money with $1,000 challenge building a product. So see, none of us want to get up and go to work. We all want to get up and go fishing, hunting, camping. But the reality is, I don't know, maybe I can find it. It always takes a level of dinero. Woodrow Wilson's $100,000 gold certificates. But we are in a free country, and we're only free because of people that are strong enough to protect what freedom we have. Now, when you think about that, think about how large a distance that we can travel with unrestricted movement. Yeah, it'd take a little money, gas, and whatnot. But our cages in this beautiful country is pretty doggone large. The world's a big place. But we have to accept the condition and the condition I'm in. There's a song like that. Remember, I've even talked about you could do your channels on music. You know, you could be a critique. There are so many things you could do that you should learn about them and decide if that's what you want to do. You know, I did a thing called biological studies, but I don't want to sit up on top of that mountain all alone with no one to play with. I wish I could get this little bunny rabbit to play with me. I think she'd enjoy it. Oh, there we go. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. There are a lot of places that we can go visit. But I'm trying to influence the youth that they have to find one spot to dig in, make a little protective zone that's a large enough cage, allows you to be human and not restricted, and go forth pursuing happiness and prosperity. We're all in the same position, rich, young, old, poor. But the cage can't allow us to turn evil. I mean, necessity's one thing, we gotta eat. But we could choose what to eat. Sometimes we survive on hamburger. I remember when I was young, hamburgers and hot dogs, that's all we got. But now, people are personally restricting themselves to vegetables. And that's okay. If that's how you want to be. Be what you want to be. Have a great day.